Travel like medicine, how trips heal your mind and body. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all love, travel. But here's the twist, travel isn't just about sightseeing or taking a break from work. Research shows it actually transforms your mind and body, almost like medicine. Let's explore how. Mind and brain health. Scientists from Edith Cowan University in Australia found that traveling can actually slow down signs of aging. How? Because when we explore new places, our brains get fresh stimulation. Think about it, navigating unfamiliar streets, tasting new foods, or hearing a different language. All of this keeps your mind active and sharp, protecting you from cognitive decline as you grow older. Physical benefits. Now, let's talk about the physical side. Travel gets us moving, walking through airports, climbing hills, or even just wandering local markets. Unlike sitting at a desk all day, these little movements add up. They build strength, flexibility, and help keep our bodies youthful. Stress reduction. Travel also melts away stress. Daily routines, work pressure, and household responsibilities can take a toll on our mental health. But when we travel, we break that cycle. New environments bring relaxation, lower stress levels, and even boost the immune system, helping us fight off age-related issues. And here's another benefit, resilience. Traveling teaches us to adapt. Whether it's figuring out a train schedule in another language or adjusting to new cuisines, these small challenges make us mentally tougher. They recharge our energy and remind us how strong and capable we really are. Local travel counts too. Now, you might be thinking, do I need to fly across the world to get these benefits? The answer is no. Travel doesn't have to be expensive or far. A simple day trip, a weekend getaway, or even exploring hidden gems in your own town can spark the same joy and health benefits. Sometimes, just trying a new restaurant or meeting new people is enough to refresh your mind and body. Conclusion. So, the next time you're debating whether to book that trip, or even just step out for a new experience, remember, travel is more than leisure. It's transformation. It nourishes your mind, strengthens your body, and keeps you feeling alive. Big or small, near or far, every journey is a step toward better health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health, wellness, and personal growth. And tell me in the comments, where's the next place you'd love to travel?